Mzee Nejo Duor. Napigwa vidungi. Sawa, so nika tuna continue hizo shots bado like ziko valid. It's still, bro, are you always on chats? Yeah, I'm always on chats. Yeah, even yesterday I was here. So each and every single day, okay? Yeah. So you always hear each and every single day. So right now what I want to see is the okay, so Mr. K, how are you? So I hope you participated in those shots. I mean, you really called them from I don't know how many weeks ago, you know? So let's see. Watu watafute maziwa. Yeah. Lazima jo. So today we're having that 15 minutes for value gap, the one that I've marked huko juu. So I've seen price reacted to that, and today being a Tuesday, if you're not following this account, make sure you do so. So I can see the first presented fair value gap already formed. We've taken out previous day's low. So yeah. First presented fair value gap. First presented fair value gap. We did that. So guys, we're having some relatively equal highs huko juu. So today might pose a really good setup. Yeah. Relatively equal highs. Relatively equal highs. Yeah, so that level, I'll be watching that. So my typical model. But then I have to wait and see what price wants to do. So right now, first presented fair value gap. We've tried and closed above it, so that's nice. So this low, high, lower low. This level, this fair value gap created there, nice. So can it trade back into this level? If it can, then we might try those longs. So who is in the trade? Tin, 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 tin. Oops. Wah. Kuliletwa mojingo. No. Kuliletwa mojingo. So guys, that sensitivity. No. Oh, oh, oh. So guys, who is in the trade? Who caught something? Who caught anything? Nani ameshika kitu? Nani ameshika move? Gio has done me that today. Okay, so I'm just looking at the forex pairs and there is nothing really interesting there. So it will be wise if you just avoid. If you're trading GU, EU, I mean just avoid, maze. Si poa, si kuzuri huko. It's not good. It's not good. It's not good. So guys, okay, any move ningeingia. So we took out this previous day's low in as much, though we took it shallowly, but then what is the first does it stand for? Oh, first presented fair value gap. So after 931, the first fair value gap after 931, that's called the first presented fair value gap. So we normally mark it and price normally active when it trades into it, okay? So you're going to see us use this level of today after FMC. We'll see nice one, golden piece, yeah. So guys, today tomorrow we're having FMC, so a day before FMC, yeah, you really need to be careful, extra careful, careful. Yeah, so uh ni mbaya. Tun. Oh, leo kuna news. Kuna jolts ama tunda tulishikilimani. Today we're having jolts job openings. So okay, so in this move I wanted to, if it could just trade into this upper fair value gap, I just wanted that, but then it was extended, it extended till kuchini, so I don't like it, and no. So if it could have just traded into this without this sharp displacement, so this one, hiyo imeharibu kila kitu, it has spoiled the fun of it, yeah. So that spoiled jolts 10 a.m. Thank you, Lost Boy. Yeah, so we're having jolts. Yeah, so guys, I wanted to see this level. I mean, as it was trading higher. So if I wanted to target this level that I've written relatively equal highs, so we're having these highs, this smooth level here. If you guys can see it. Yeah, so I wanted to target that. But then immediately this happened, so that's a no for me. A no for me. And right now, this low, we might revisit this low. Jolts 10 a.m. So it's like we're going to wait. We are going to wait. So whenever the market is doing something like this, so it's tipping its hands that today expect something like a high resistance liquidity run. Yeah, expect something like high resistance liquidity run. So what you need to know is that once you see something like the price doing such a thing, e back or the upper, yeah, so just know that if you find a setup, yeah, just leave your stop loss either at the swing low or at the swing high. If you are bullish, the lowest low, that's your stop. If you're bearish, the highest high, that's your stop. Yeah, so that's what price is telling. So price is the boss. These markets are the boss. So it's telling you what it wants to happen. So immediately I saw this. Yeah, so that was a dead end for me. So even if it wants to go higher, take out these relatively equal highs, then I'm not interested. I'm not interested. Mhm. There is something I'd really love to change. So ten, 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 ten. Yes. 10, 10, 10. Okay. So to that person who was asking first presented favor log up. So you see, just straight into the first presented favor log up. So that was nice. And yeah, so he did that. So Jules will probably confirm the move of the day. Acha tuingoje. Nice. So yeah, nipo like if you just wait for the 10 a.m. candle open, okay? 10 a.m. candle, 10 a.m. candle. But then right now I'm not interested in anything. Itakula kichwa, too much mental capital at play. If you want to ukitaka kusumbuana na hii, there's too much mental capital at play. So just let it be. Okay? Isikusumbue. Isikusumbue, unataka kuchase juu, unataka kuchase chini. Yes, itaenda place unataka, lakini it's always important to just wait for something good, something direct, something straightforward. So angalia, right now we are accumulating between this IAVG and this first presented. This is also an IAVG, so this IAVG, this IAVG. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Oduar ujaenda nyumbani. Ujaenda nyumbani December. Na by the Lost Boy tumekuwa hapa for long na tujaijuana. Tunafaa tujuane mazee. Unaona kina Oduor tushajuana. We tumekuanga hapa hivi lakini hatujaijuana. But then you are normally a good trader. Unaua. Naonanga unaua. So tunafaa tujuane baby. Lost Boy, unajua hiyo si jina yako. Oduor hiyo ni jina yako. Ten, teren, ten, ten, teren, ten, ten, teren, ten. Leo niko noma. Okay, but then price inakuwa, I mean tu hii market tu inakuanga tu funny. Utapata like shakushow like hizi machogo nyizi. Yeah? Hizi vitu ikishakushow hivi like Hii nakwambia tu achana nayo. Acha tuone the six sister. Wa hii yenyewe sasa ndimeenda. We. Anyway, this is nice. So the six sister, nice. Imefanya kitu we wanted to see, but then struggle really. It really struggled. Hata sikuwa nimeiangalia. So let's see. We're having this smooth level. Yeah, so we had these relatively equal highs. Relatively equal. This level, this high failed. Nice. And finally we took it out. 31, 30. So first presented fair value gap. So first presented fair value gap was used as a breakaway gap. So that was nice, and then it just slid higher. Ju. So the six sister gave us our TP. So we wanted to see the same thing happening on NQ, but then NQ so imejaribu tuku. Anyway, so that's great. Right now that is that, and hebu tuone YM ama nini. Hii sasa ndo sasa ni wazimu. Hizi vitu ni crazy. Hizi vitu ni crazy. Yeah, so the six sister nice. So hii hapa acha tu. Okay, but then yeah, imedeliver fit. Mm. Ten. So hii opening range gap like imefill yote, you know. Opening range gap. So that was nice, but then still haikuwa poa sana. Hii hapa sasa like hii hapa mazee yatuone. Nafaa nianze ku live stream YouTube pia. Shida sasa ni ni kunoma. Nikunoma mazee, nikunoma. Your level. Right now ndo hiyo ina break above. So let's look at the sexy star. Oops. 15 minutes, but then naona bado iko sensitive around your new day opening up, so itakuona but then hizi highs, hii by side bado like ni smooth tu, your by side smooth. Oh, tusha open time tusha open. Yeah, so chat yangu ni chafu leo, sijui hizi levels ni gani. So 10, hii ndo sasa hiyo ni hiyo effect ya jolts. Yeah. Ting. Hebu mnipe like, nipe 1000 likes maze. Taran. DXY. Oops. DXY. Okay. DXY naona like expand. DXY expand. Yeah, so DXY expand kwa juu. Ting. Buy side liquidity taken out. Shift. Ting. Boom. Forever log up. Boom. Okay. Daily. Okay. Oops. Ndio hiyo naendea hiyo level. But then hata kama naendea maze, we'll just have to watch it, you know. We'll just have to watch it. We watch it do its thing. Nakwambia ni kubaya. Very bad. Very bad. Okay. Yes, shamaliza like vitu zake huku juu. So E6 sister, like kama kuna mwenye anataka kutrade, unaweza jaribu. Ama leo tu change maze. Imesweep hizo highs. Let's see. Is it relatively equal highs? Naona imeisweep. Ama nyi mnaonaje? Waungwana. Oh. Hii ni headache. Do you watch too? Guys, tunaweza jaribu hii. Yeah, some paper trading. Next year, from next year. from next year. So let's see if this level can hold. The price action this time, I mean, from the November's price action and December's price action. I mean, same aje sina. I don't have funds, lack of funds. Oh, thank you. I've followed it. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome to join. Okay. Hakuna idea. Natusaidia. Yeah, plus hakuna. So try back into this. So yeah, but like I want to try going short. Sijui kama I'm watching this level kama ita hold. Yo, yeah, AVG. Unaona hii nini isha form vitu zote. So we having this VIB. So kama like ita hold, design naona ina hold. Mbona nimeka hii nini dotted. Today open slightly, but then ni kubahatisha. So again ina close huko juu. Acha tuone na hii NQ bado like ija complete objective huko juu. So kuna those smooth levels. How do you split your screen? Maggie, I'm using TikTok Studio. Okay. And also if you can also try OBS. But then I'm using TikTok Studio. Yeah, so if you'd love to do what? To stream, then TikTok Studio. So inasumbua hapo. Nataka ni go short, but then it's just cha nijaribu. Hizi vitu ni kujaribu. Hii level ime hold mingi sana. Acha tuone the last one. You should have taken long ago. Yeah, longs were valid, but then right now ama tungoje 10:30. But then kingoja 10:30 ni kama itakuwa imeniacha. So I want to try going short, because this level to me it's promising in a hold. Wow. Saa ingine ni ngumu. Imeniacha. So still nitapata tu. Let me try that. Okay? If we die, we die. If we die, we die. 1 minute. 15 minutes, body is respected, the new day opening up. So, ndo hiyo tumedanganywa. Stop loss, I mean TP. Guys, this is not a financial advice, but then I'm just doing what I want to see price do. So don't copy me, okay? And mark you right now, you see the way 4H is chopping around. Not good. Set for it. Let me analyze for you. Yes, analyze for me, boss. So again, to my trade above your level. So we've traded and closed above this again. So I'm just going to talker. So I wanted to see it remain below this. There's 2 lines that I've marked. Anyway, that was gambling. Let's wait for the real move. 10:30. Yeah, but still want to see it Ukuju. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, changing between 2. Whatever, man. Acha tu iende. If it wants to trade lower, then well and good. So guys, what we do, we leave our stop and let it just run, okay? So I'm trying again. I'm trying my best. I want to try my best. I just want to leave my stop huko juu and then niachane nayo, okay? So ikitutoa, well and good. So stops hapo. So trading in such markets ni ngumu sana, okay? Trading in these markets ngumu. Usidanganywe. Yeah, nitakuwa nachukua partials. Then we leave a run, okay? So this is my first time, my second time executing on S&P 500. So my stop is slightly above this. So ikikuja tutoe kwa hii nini, then still good. So remember, this level that I marked, still just the opening, around the opening of this last up close candle before this down move. So hii yote hii hapa, hii ni order block, and then midpoint, consequent, and mean threshold. We don't want to see price close above. So price close above, then we are wrong. Saa ingine ni ngumu. So let's just wait and see. And then to manage, okay? So we want to manage. So 10:30, we want to see your continuation. If it wants to really continue lower, then we'll anticipate for something like, so this was the first presented fair value gap. So can it really trade below this? Tunaangalia hapo. You're watching that. So yeah, okay. So the reason why I loved S&P 500, because okay, it tried delivering towards this level smoothly. So iko kwa imesumbua, and then after trading above the new day opening gap, yeah, so we saw this nice thing here. So we want trust that it can trade low huku chini, yeah. Acha nitoe. I'm from Kenya. I'm from Nairobi, Kenya. Next 3 seconds, next 3 minutes, we're waiting for that. What? What the hell? What the hell? Mi hombre. Ten thirty. Not good, not good. Hizi ndo gani? So you're having a small to gap up. No need. Still kuna hii. Pum, 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 pum. So guys, tukue makini, another setup forming, another setup another setup. So you're having also these levels here. So relatively equal what height? Okay, according to me, this is what I'm seeing. Some relatively equal highs there. We came, swept it out. I mean, took it out. But then the body is in a stay wapi huku chini. So that's interesting to me. Niko njaa na siwezi karanga. Ten, teren, 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 teren. Ten, 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 ten. Guys, so there is something I'm learning. So on such days, stop to nipo tu unaika uko juu. So the first attempt, you saw me panic, but then, so this one, I'm just leaving my stop there. I'm not touching it. I'm not doing anything with it. So if it wants to go lower, then well and good. If it doesn't, fine. Let it just do what it wants to do. So we're staying below this. Yep. So we're staying below that. Below this. But then, remember guys, There's voids or liquidity void or volume imbalances. These are normally some of the weakest and also the strongest. Okay, they are the weakest and also the strongest. So if we can trade below this level with speed, distance, and it leaves us a fair value gap here. Yeah. So let's see. Let's try. Let's try and command it if it can respect us. Speed, speed, and distance. So will it hear us? Hear us, dear. So can it give us that speed, distance? Speed, distance, large, long candles. So if I write distance, that simply means long candles. Give us a fair value gap here. Okay? Give us a fair value gap here. Dear S&P 500, we pray that you're going to give us some large candles, okay, with a fair value gap, and we want to use that to support price going lower. So guys, there's a void, there's a liquidity void. So we trade into it. The bodies are staying on top. Failed, check out this. There's also a mini setup, okay? We again trade into it, into the void. So once we trade below the void, we trade into it, boom. The bodies are staying below. Speed, distance, fair value gap, boom. We've taken out this buy side. So if it doesn't want to do that, then fail, check out this. Let's go back higher. But then if it does something like that, then the essence of this candle staying inside this level that I've marked will be gone. Yeah. But then there's time distortion. It's waiting for time. Time distortion. Wait, I'm waiting for something else. Let's see NQ. Not good, not good, not good, not good. Okay, so guys, these are the days that you shouldn't be doing anything. These are the days that you shouldn't be doing anything. You shouldn't be doing anything in these jets, in these markets, because they are rigged against you. If you have too low mental capital, it will be wasted, okay? Trying to analyze these markets will just be wasted. Yeah, so it requires a stronger mental fortitude on your end, you know. So seeing something like this, so right now we're trading. So there's a distribution. There's on a 5 minutes. So let's see on a 5 minutes. So there's a distribution block. There's one here. So is the one still holding price? But then once we break below it, then it's game over, game over, game over. And also remember this volume imbalance. We've traded below it. So if we can stay, these candles can stay below it, then well and good. 15 minutes. Saa ingine ni ngumu, saa ingine ni ngumu, saa ingine ni ngumu. Yeah, so it has left this low and also this. So not bad, not bad. Huko chini pia tuko na hizi lows. One more time, dig deep, one more time. Failed, take out this low. So this high took out this. This low, we failed, take it out. So I'm just saying my things, okay? So we took out this high, low, failed to take out this. So this level, driving price higher, back to slightly above the 2-day open, and we're seeing the sensitivity around that price level. So guys, on such days, usijaribu, usithubutu, yeah, tuko buys saizi. Nice Kiroi Amateson, yeah, still ni fine. Well and good. So kuna wale wenye wako long. Nice. So this level, provided bado tuna stay below huku, so guys, until initoe, yeah. Saa ingine ni ngumu, saa ingine ni ngumu, saa ingine ni ngumu. So ime close above your level. Ime close above your level. So kumaanisha we are offside. Offside. Anyway guys, hakuna kitu hapa. So ikifika saa moja, in the next 15 minutes I'll end the live. If I don't see anything, if in the next 15 minutes I'm not taken out, then so let's see, 10:50 to 11:10. So 11:10. So let's see 11:10. What does this price have on us? So guys, ile kitu tulisema ya kwanza, so if it doesn't do this, then but then and I expected for it to take out this high maybe. Yeah, so guys, what's happening here is magic. Okay, so wadau, ini bulanda, ini bulanda. Okay, so NQ has also taken out those relatively equal highs that we were watching. So you see this level that we marked, this one here. So we've just traded there, swept it kidogo tu, and then we had this. So on NQ, if you wanted to grab some shorts, so there's a breakaway gap, measuring gap, price can trade back into this, and then we can see lower prices. So that's what I'm anticipating. At times pia itafanyika, but then so hii hapa already ilikuwa ishaanza move na tulikuwa tumeingia kwa hii, in as much as tumeteseka. So what I wanted to see is once we took out this, failed to take out this, nice. So hiyo bado ni poa. So we had this low, favor. So time and price. Okay, kuho ni mbaya. Five minutes on the NQ. Ni mbaya. Wadau, ni mbaya. Oi. Ni mbaya. So stop yangu bado siguzi. Wait. I've seen something. Something is happening here. So tuna shift. Hii kitu haiendi chini. Hii kitu inaenda juu. So guys, I'm sorry if you're following me and I'm confusing you. Maze, hata mimi imenishinda, ni ngumu. Hata mimi imenishinda. Juu sasa sijui inaenda wapi. Yeah? Ni ngumu. The mistress has delivered. Maze ni ngumu. Hata mimi sijui. Tuko tu na nyinyi hapa. Yeah? Tuko na nyinyi hapa. Sijui maze. Sijui inaenda wapi. Ai. We. Majamani kubaya. Ni kumoto. Ni kumoto. Sana nataka kuona ikiacha hii fair value gap hapa kama ijaitradia, then itoe hii high hapa hivi, then it's dead for the shorts, you know. Roho safi juu itakuwa imefanya kitu kama sell side liquidity, so imeaccumulate hapa kama manipulate kutoa hizo lows, then fair value gap hii first one. So chenye baki tu ni kutupea hopes ni kama inaweza trade kwa hii fair value gap. Ikitrade tu hivi hapa chini, inaweza tupea hopes ya kuhold hizi shorts, but ikiacha hivi inside the 1050 1110, hey, we kichwa inatoka moshi. Akili inatoa moto walai, moto. Naona moto. I'm seeing fire. So we want to see so if this level held price and we had this low high and now lower low, yeah, so hapa kunaweza kuwa na setups mbili zenye zina contradict. We might be having, this might be a short setup, but then also if we trade above this level, then this might also be a buy setup. So maze conditions noma. But then I still nasemanga, if it's not clear, then just leave it. Just let it go. Okay? Just let it go. We're also trading just around the 2-day open. Sensitivity around this price level. Yeah, so tuna shift. Nimetoka maze. Hiyo ni mingi sana. So tuna shift kwenda juu. We are buying. Oi. Ni moto mazee. So acha tuangalie NQ. Hii Six Sister mazee inakuanga na wazimu. Huko ndo sasa hata kuna mazee. We. Aya, ikifika saa moja mimi natoka. Si hata nyinyi mmeona. No, I didn't watch it. By the way, guys, I'm trading this demo account. So let me show you guys. Msidhani, msione ati msikuje kugamble na this paper trading, sijui kama mtaona. Paper trading account. So, if you see me doing this with this is my demo account. So, usikuje hapa na urisk na pesa yako real. Don't. But then my stop is slightly upper. You see, I'm treating this as a breakaway gap. So because we failed trade into, there's a fair value gap. So there's my breakaway gap. Wow. Ni kumoto mazee. Acha nitoe hiyo level sasa. Maybe your level ndo inazuia price. It's giving price a difficulty in trading higher. So let me just remove that so that it can have its way. So just go, you know. Yeah, so let's see it rally higher, you know. Si hata nyinyi mmeona tumejaribu ikakataa. By the mzee semaje? Chop today. True. By the I see like uliniambia ni watch ile video ya ICT mpya. Semaje mzee? Yeah, nitai watch. I'll watch it. Aya sasa because we removed that, so now it wants to go higher. So unaona acha niwaambie, unaona ile, so there's a box that I placed here. So you see, if I put it here, price doesn't move, but then if I remove it, you want to see. So guys, you see that? That's something that you won't see anywhere else. So you see, once I've removed that, now price wants to go higher. So I was the one holding that price. Yes, imagine kuna mtu atamini hivyo. That I was the one holding price because I placed that bro rectangle box. So once we trade above, I want to add more. 157. To make close Joe. Once we close above, so I'm going long again. Yeah. So my stop right now is just below the 2-day open. Yeah, 241. Going, 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 going. Draw is higher market maker. The market maker has been cooked. The market maker has been cooked severally. So we're having this order, this fair value gap here, and also this level. So that we want to watch. Wicks can do the damage. Body closes tell the whole narrative. So we want to see the bodies remain ukujo. So we're having this one. So right now we're serious about this price. So it can't give us a hard time now. You can never give us a hard time. Yeah, and also we're having this low, high, lower, low. Boom. Low, high, lower, low. But then it's like I'm just going. So what will happen is that nitawaacha na I'll just leave the recording. I mean from my other laptop, so if it hits, oh, sijaikata TP. Oops. So guys, where do you want to see price draw to? So remember the yesterday's first present. Yesterday did we have the first presented fair value gap? Yes, Kojo. There. So I want to see price draw towards this level. 482. Yeah, so first presented fair value gap. That's my draw. And also possibly there's a fair value gap that we have Kojo. Yeah. Leo na hata nyinyi mmeona. Leo tumeforce. But then if this one wins, then all our losses are going to be recovered. This is a demo. So this is a demo account. So I wanted to see speed and distance. But then price had other plans. So acha tuweke hapa ni your sell liquidity. So now we want to see large candles, large ranges. So if we take out this high, then you see this low, high, lower, low. So right now my stop is just here. I'm just going to leave it. If we take out this high, we might see some larger candles. Volume imbalance hapa chini. Extend into that and then leave it. There's one. deep into that, deep into that, into that, deep into that. Yeah, deep into it and then leave it. So yes, the wicks can do the damage. The bodies tell the narrative. So bodies in a back is the bodies are staying above that. So revisit it. Sasa draw kwa hiyo wick. So we're having this wick. So open, draw towards this wick. Maybe the consequent encroachment. So consequent encroachment might be the midpoint of also this fair value gap. Boom. Then we leave it. So once we leave this level, my stop is going to be below this. Should I put it below this or just there? Once you take out this high, my stop is going to be here. Nitaona tu. My stop is going to be at this volume imbalance low. Acha nisome comments. Mkubwa, semaje? Happiness. Let's hope low manipulation, then FMC tomorrow to pay crane setups and huge runs. Yes, 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 yes. But then guys, what has happened today? I hope you guys were taking notes of this. So hizi vitu was in a repeat. They do repeat, okay? So next time we see something like this and then we see this speed distance. So the speed by which to change. So tutangoja like once we close above this level tutakuwa tusha change tu. Tusha change tunaenda high long. If that is if we were bearish. Juu hizi vitu hizi moves ina repeat kila siku. Ten. So far today tumekuwa na is it 3 executions? So isikwe tumego against my trading plan. So execution marks. So 1, we panicked. Nice. 2, taken out. Then we reversed. So we were taken out and then tuka reverse. So we reversed this trade. So we wanted to go lower, but then immediately did all of these, closed above this, so we reversed just in the same candle. So you see these two executions, then added another one there. So I know that was being impulsive, but then that was that. So 2, 1, 2. So I'll just say 3. Yeah, so I normally have 3 executions max per day. So 3 execution max per day, maximum per day. So we take out this buy side then. Wow. Give us a fair value gap here as we take out that buy side. So acha tuone NQ. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. But then even if you went long, stops ungeacha huko chini still. If you could sit through all of these, then you still would have eaten. Still would have eaten. So this was the distribution phase. This was the a reaccumulation phase. OTE patterns. OTE patterns. So this was OTE. Singine kuona hizi vitu ni ngumu. Original accumulation. Return to the original accumulation. Phase 1. Phase 2. OTE. Oops, it's on a leash. Oi. Finally. Ooh. So we've taken out that high, that buy side. So can it give us a fair value gap there? Oops, nice. Fair value gap, 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 fair value gap. So in the next, so that fair value gap and just like I said, my stop. Fair value gap. So I just want to check the full, the all of it. Could you? Yeah, so it gave us that fair value gap. So So nilikuwa nimeweka TP was somewhere here, but then I just wanted to hit and then I'm gone. So just the lower quadrant of that of yesterday's first presented fair value gap. So yesterday's first presented fair value gap, then we enda zetu 1 hour, kumbe tumekawia huko, ama again tuachie another fair value gap hapa. So if it trades back into this fair value gap, and also there's up close candle that high, tatuone huko ishafika di
Wacha kukula mdomo live. mawazo yako slide vile slide. Imagine napiga mabamba alafu nani, oh, I forgot about your issue. Tutaangalia. Unamaliza saa ngapi? Kwa mila na kuna wifi.
1:30 may be nice. So guys, I'm just going to let this I'm just going to let it run. Yeah, so I want to do some other things. Yeah, so I'm not really interested in this. So yeah, so I'm just going to let it do its thing. So if it wants to come and take me out, then still well and good. But then my target is this level. Okay, so I'm going to end the live. Yeah, so I'm going to end the live. So see you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. So today we did all of this. We wanted to see lower prices, but then it failed. Had that attempt, the first one, then we panicked. The second attempt was taken out here. Mail, we saw this, we reversed. Okay, so right now it's doing that. This fair value gap, we want to see if it can hold. If it can't, then still well and good. Also in the 5 minutes you can see this, we're still having that fair value gap on the 5 minutes also. Yeah, so right now my stop is below. There's you see there's a volume imbalance here, so my stop is there. So up to this point, let me see the NQ, what NQ is doing. So on 1 minute accumulating, so I'm just going to have to end it, then I'll send the recording. If it hits my target, I'll just have to send the recording. Yeah, so until then, see you guys. So see you guys tomorrow.